Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a neon ghost effect for your videos in CapCut. So first, just prepare the clips that you want to edit. So in this case, I'm using 2 clips, but you can always use more if you want. Now under the second clip, go to the video effect and add the neon effect that you can find under the comic category. Okay, so this neon effect, click on that and put it under the second clip like this. Now I'm going to delete the first video and export this project. Okay, so do not click on done, but go back and undo the delete and remove the neon effect. Okay, so now click on the overlay and add the video that you save under the second clip. Okay, like this. Now you can just fit the size like that, and then go to blend and select line. Okay, click on a check icon. Now add a keyframe at the start of the overlay and also the end like this, and zoom in the clip on the second keyframe. Okay, now click on the grabs here and select the ease out 1. Okay, now go to animation, click on out, then select the fade out animation for 0.8 seconds. Click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the result for the neon ghost effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.